Hey guys, this is Josh with Biggs Harley Davidson and North County, Indian, right here in San Marcos, California. Today's bike of the day is a 2000 Dyna Wide Glide. Now there's a lot of accessories. I'm going to be going over a few. We have the rims, we have LED lights, bars, cable, grips, pretty much everything else you could chrome out or accessorize. This model has 22,480. You have the backrest. If you come around here, he chose Vance and Hines. Just show the air cleaner, all the foot pegs. Now, let's hear how she sounds when she's alive. I'm sure you have more questions that we can answer in depth. Call Biggs Harley Davidson or North County Indian right here in San Marcos, California. We'll see you when you get here.